What's up everyone? Going to be installing some power mods today. Power an AFE piggyback tune. Let's see how that performs. I'm gonna head to my brother's house to work in his garage. A little bit of a drive, so I'm gonna head out there now. But first, gotta make a pit stop. Always a line at Starbucks. Probably should just go in, it'd be faster, but it is what it is. California life. Thank you, have a good one. Cheers. What's up, dude?
Ended up just hanging out a bit, let the car cool down. We went to the movies and then got some food afterwards before we got started working.
Alright, got the upgraded fuel pump right here. Gonna replace the stock one before we put the piggyback tune on. So my first thing we're gonna do is take out the fuse. Alright, car just died. I'm gonna try to start it up and see if any more fuel in the fuel pump. Alright, I'll put the part number for this one. It is 353202GHA1. So this is the old stock fuel pump. The green tab is the upgraded fuel pump. This part number is 35320-2GTA0. So this is the upgraded fuel pump. Gonna reuse the old gasket from the old fuel pump onto the new one. And basically we'll put everything in reverse order. All right, onto the spark plugs. Brand new. Should be good. Gonna install this one. Let's see how this goes. This should be pretty straightforward. Let's see. Hope we don't fuck it up. Boom. Connected there, see if we can clean it up. Some custom fabrication here. Use the battery handles to kind of secure it. The 3M was a little wonky. I don't have the Velcro, but everything's tight with the zip ties and the battery holder handle, so we'll see. Fuck. Oh, damn. No cops here? I don't know, you get tickets in California for having stock exhaust. So.
Yeah, just look out for cops here.
Ready? Shit.
Wow. Straight. Nice, nice.
The pops.
Next one, yeah.
Not this one?
Yeah, next one. Okay. I'll take over.
How's it feel?
Very good.
Woo! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn.
Oh, that's got power, dude.
It's just a little bit extra, huh? It just helps, right?
Yeah, that's...
And there's more pops. You hear it?
Yeah.
The exhaust. Yeah.
We got enough fuel, right?
I don't know. I'm killing all the dinosaurs right now.
Hey, what's up everyone? Got a fresh shave. I hope you like this video. Everything went smoothly. It's much easier to work in my brother's garage, so shout out to him. So just to give some top line thoughts on the install, the high pressure fuel pump upgrade is actually an OEM fuel pump that are found on the Sonata and Hyundai Santa Fe's. So I've read that the fuel pump upgrade from shops like N75 and 6 Element are recommended whenever doing any ECU tuning. It's also been flagged as a sort of failure point on the engine. So even though I'm not doing a full ECU tune, not yet anyways, I figured it'd be nice to just have it regardless. So it was super easy. Also shout out to
NDriverKG
for his install video. I'll link it down in the description. It was a great reference when installing this high pressure fuel pump upgrade. So along with the fuel pump upgrade, it's recommended to swap to like colder plugs. So I went with NGK, which are just upgraded from the OEM ones. I'll leave the part number to all of these in the description below. As far as the AFE piggyback tune, so far it's been amazing. The butt dyno says that there's some gains there, but I'll throw their dyno results on the screen here. They say that their tune gets 41 plus horsepower and 48 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm not doing their full race mode. I'm doing the Sport Plus because out here in California, we unfortunately only get 91 octane instead of 93, so I kept it in Sport Plus. The car in all modes, normal, and feels a little bit more responsive. There's just a little bit more of that extra power. It's not astronomical, but you feel it nonetheless. Just a little bit more. I know there are other piggyback tunes out there like, you know, JB4, Race Chip, which I've heard good things about. So if you're running any of those, I'd love to hear what your thoughts are in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Of course, I feel the best route for maximum power and tunability would probably be a full ECU swap or an ECU flash. Just right now, I feel this is just good enough for me of what I want to do. And also, I feel I could just unplug the piggyback tune if I wanted to remove it. Whether Hyundai can detect this or not is another story, so I would tune at your own risk. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Excuse me. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace.